Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase CommBank StepPay limit. Increasing your CommBank StepPay limit is straightforward once you know what factor matter. First, use StepPay consistently. Regularly purchase show active. Regular purchase show active responsible usage. Always pay each installment on time, since late or missed payments can hurt your chances. Next, maintain a steady income into your CommBank account as the system checks whether your earnings can support a higher limit. Keep a healthy overall credit profile, avoid overdrafts or negative balances, and manage your credit utilization wisely. Other tip, fully use your existing step pay limit but pay it off reliably. Demonstrating consistent, responsible usage across all these areas signals to CommBank that you're ready for a higher limit. Over time, these steps usually result in automatic limit increases, so patience and consistency are key. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.